Today we're going to find the higher order derivatives and we're going to illustrate the chain rule. So first one, f of x is equals to x to the 4 plus 3x cubed minus 4x plus 2. We're going to find the first derivative, the second derivative, and the third derivative. These are the symbols for the first derivative, y bar or y prime. Tapos ito, f apostrophe x, then dxy, and then dy over dx. Second derivative is like this. Third derivative is for this one. These are the symbols for the first, second, and the third derivative. What you're going to do here is, in the first derivative, you're going to get the derivative of the given function. For the second derivative, you're going to get the derivative of the first derivative. For the third derivative, kukunin mo lang yung derivative ng second derivatives. So for example, for this one, kunin mong first derivative, it's derivative ni x4 is 4x cubed. Kasi 4 minus 1 plus 3x cubed. So plus 3 times 3x to the power of 3 minus 1 minus 4x minus 4 kasi x kapag x, so derivative niya is, erase mo lang yung x, plus 2. So ang derivative of a constant is 0. So to simplify, 4x cubed plus 9x squared minus 4. So this is the first derivative. We're going to get the second derivative. So the second derivative is 2 apostrophe 2. So 4 times 3 x to the 3 minus 1 plus copy 9, copy the exponent 2 x 2 minus 1. This is a constant, so erase na natin yan. Derivative of constant is 0. So 4 times 3, 12 x, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 pala 2, plus 9 times 2, 18 x to the power of 1. So for the third derivative, kukunin mo lang derivative ng second derivative. So 12 times 2 x, 2 minus 1, 1 plus 18. So kasi x lang siya, exponent is 1, so cancel lang x. So 12 times 2, 24x plus 18. So this is the second derivative. So all you have to do is to find the first, you get the derivative of the given function. To find the second, get the derivative ng first. For the third, kukunin mong derivative ni second. So that's the higher order derivatives. Now the chain rule, the definition is let f be a function differentiable at c and let g be a function differentiable at f of c. Then the composition g of f is differentiable at c at dx g f c, composition of f c, and derivative of f of c times derivative of fc. So quite complicated. Even reading is complicated. So this is the derivative. Dy over dx is equals to dy over du times du over dx. So to better understand that, we're going to have an example. The example number 1, f of x is equals to 3x cubed minus 2x plus 4 raised to the power of 2. So if you're going to get this, the derivative of this one, we did not discuss this yet. So ang gagawin mo is, if automatically powered rule, kasi may exponent siya dito. So katulad nito, x to the 4, so 4x cubed. However, this is not applicable for, ang power rule, hindi applicable dito kasi function ang nasa gitna. May 3 terms siya. So, a polynomial pala sa gitna, may 3 terms. So, this is only applicable kapag x lang, variable lang. So, for this one, it's not applicable yung power. Yung kopya mong 2, tapos minus 1 mo ang exponent. And for this one, because you cannot do that, pwede mo na kunin yung exponent. So, pwede mong i-times ang 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 sa sarili niya. Tapos, get the answer and then find the derivative. That's one of the things you could do. However, you could do the chain rule. The chain rule states that kapag may ganito, ang gagawin mo is let u be the function yung inside. So, let u. So, ang function magiging u squared. Kasi ito siya, u. So, ibig sabihin, ito siya, palitan mo ng u, so u squared. So, this, and because of this, ang una mong gagawin for the chain rule, to get the derivative of this one, it's, kukunin mo yung dy over du. So, this would be y equals to u squared. Kasi ito is u. So, u squared. So, pwede mo na gamitin yung power rule kasi u lang ang nandito. So, kopya mo ang exponent, u, tapos 2 minus 1, 1. So, 2u. Next, hanapin mo si du over dx. So, du over dx. So, this is u. So, kunin mo derivative nito. So, 3 times 2 times x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 minus derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of constant is 0. So, simplify. 3 times 2, 6. X, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2. So, to find the derivative of this, which is dy over dx, kunin mo si dy over du times mo kay du over dx. Si dy over du is 2u. So, 2u times mo sa du over dx, which is 6x minus 2. Next, si u, gawin mo siyang substitute mo siya. So, 2, 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. Kopyahin mo yan, 6x minus 2. So, kailangan ng, wala ng u, x na lahat. Simplify, 2. Multiply natin muna ito. 18x cube minus this one, 12x. This one, 24 x squared pala to. So, next is negative 2 times 3x squared minus times negative 2, negative 6x squared. Negative 2x times negative 2, positive 4x. Positive 4 times negative 2, negative 8. Simplify, magiging 18x cubed. Yung mga x squared, negative 12 minus 6, it's negative 18x squared. 24 plus 4, 28x minus 8. Multiply 36x cubed minus 2 times 18, 36x squared plus 56x minus 16. Next, this is quite complicated for number 2. Number 2, use the chain rule to find dy over dx in terms of x, where y is equals to u minus 3 cube and u is equal to 1 over 2x plus 1. So, based on the formula, hanapin natin si dy over du. So, this is dy over du. So, gagawin natin. So, ito siya. Kunin mo yung derivative using power rule. So, 3 u minus 2, 3 minus 1. This is the simplified for this one. 3 minus 1. Tapos next niyan, kunin mo derivative na itong sa gitna na function. U minus 2 is, derivative of u is 1. Derivative of constant is 0. So, ang mangyari niyan, 3 u minus 2 raised to the power of 2. So, this is dy over du. Next, du over dx. So, isimplify muna natin. Gawin natin 2x plus 1 raised to the power of negative 1. So, mangyari niyan, negative 1, 2x plus 1, negative 1 minus 1. Derivative nito, 2 plus 0. This is chain rule already simplified. So, negative 1, 2x plus 1 raised to the power of negative 2 times 2. Sa negative exponent niya, lagay mo siya sa baba. 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. Negative 1 times 2, it's negative 2. So, meron ka ng dy over du, tapos du over dx. So, kompleto na. So, ang gagawin mo, substitute. So, dy over dx is equal to dy over du, which is 3u minus 2 squared times du over dx, which is negative 2 over 2x plus 1 squared. Okay, ang sagot nito equals 3. Ang u, palitan mo ng 1 over 2. 1 over 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 times negative 2 over 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So, next, simplify natin. So, 3 times 1 squared 2x plus 1 squared. So, dinistribute natin tong exponent times negative 2 over 2x plus 1 squared. Simplify, 3 times 1 times negative 2, that's negative 6 over 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 plus 2, 4. So, this is our answer.